Hello everybody, it's Lucy here and today we're going to learn how to dance the Christmas Bop! So why don't we take a trip to the North Pole and we're going to learn the first section of the Christmas Bop. Alright, so try and do these actions with me. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go step, click, step, click, stars, stars. And step, click, stars, stars. We're going to repeat that and then the second time we're going to add something on. So be watching carefully. So it goes step, click, and we're going to hear the sleigh bells chime. We're going to lift up, take our hand to our ear and hear the sleigh bells chiming. Ready girls? Let's try that. Step, click, hear sleigh bells chime.
Dance in the North Pole, it's Christmas time. Dance in the North Pole, hear sleigh bells chime.
So the next words are you won't stop. Our legs are going to be apart. We're going to point and we're going to say you. Then we're going to cross our hands in front of us, won't. And then on the word stop, we're going to put up our stop signs, stop. Let's try that all together, shall we? Ready? And you won't stop. So we've got our hands in our stop signs facing the front. We're going to clap our hands together in front of us. From there, we're going to take our hands to one side of our shoulder and swing our hip to the side. Hip. Then we're going to do it all the way to the other side. Hip. Shall we try that a little bit faster? It's a bit trickier when it gets faster. We've got our stop signs up. We go clap, hip, hip. 5, 6, 7, and you won't stop. Clap, hip, hip.
It's chime, you won't stop. My
I'm going to do my favorite part of the song, and that's where it goes. My Christmas Bop. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump and click our hands to the right side, jump, click. Then we're going to click our hands to the other side, jump, click. On the words bop, we take our hands behind our head and we go bop, bop. And our hip goes up and down 2 times. 1, 2. Now we're going to put that all together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, click, hip and hip and. The next words go, so 1, 2, 3. We're going to hold up our fingers and count 1, 2, 3. As we do this, we're going to jump our legs apart. Shall we give it a go? So 1, 2, 3.
My Christmas Bop. So 1, 2, 3.
Now girls, our legs are already apart because we've just done 3 to the front. From there, we're going to reach towards our friends and say, come. We're going to jump our feet together and give our arms a roly-poly and Christmas dance. And then on the word me, we're going to point to ourselves and look really proud. Now girls, I think that we've learnt the whole dance. So I think that we should run it from the top. Are you ready to Christmas dance with us?
Dance in the North Pole, it's Christmas time. Dance in the North Pole, your sleigh bells chime. You won't stop. My Christmas Bop. So 1, 2, 3. Come and Christmas dance with me.
What's your favourite part of the Christmas Bop? Remember to like and subscribe and click the notifications bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!